All right, so that's the Congress there saying that the future of any leader is decided by the people, and the BJP is only escalating a controversy where there is none. Do you agree with what the Congress party says at a time when that comment of Revanth Reddy seems to have boomeranged on the Congress party itself? Time now for us to move on to the other big story that we are tracking today. There was a comment that Nitish Kumar made on the floor of the House, an extremely sexist one. There was storm right away. Today it's the RJD that has picked up on that comment and has accused Nitish Kumar of being sexist, anti-women and also anti-Dalit. What is that comment that we're talking about that has caused this furor in the state of Bihar and also in the political corridors in Delhi? Let's listen into what Nitish Kumar said and then we'll play out more reactions that are coming in from the RJD.
सब लोगों ने सपोर्ट किया और जब सब लोगों को सपोर्ट किया गया पूरी सर्वसम्मति से, अरे महिला हो, कुछ जानती नहीं हो, महिला को अरे बोल रही है, कहां से आते इन लोगों के साथ जो है ये लोग कोई महिला को आगे बढ़ाया था? अरे हम 5 के बाद में महिला को बढ़ाए हैं, बोल रही हो। इसीलिए हम कह रहे हैं चुपचाप सुनो। अरे ऐसे ही बोल रहे, अरे क्या हुआ, सुनोगे नहीं? हम तो सुनाएंगे और अगर आप नहीं सुनिएगा तो आपकी गलती है। हाँ, तो आप समझ लीजिए, ये हम चाह रहे थे कि लोग समझते और एक एक चीज को हम लोगों ने लागू कर दिया, जो भी तय कर दिया था। पिछड़ों का जितना ज्यादा जो आया तो इसलिए जो भी होता था 50%।
Now that comment of Nitish Kumar, Mahila ho kuch janti nahi ho, that comment was made on the floor of the House when Nitish Kumar was facing intense pressure from the opposition over the demands of reservation in Bihar. And when the opposition kept sloganeering, that is when Nitish Kumar lost his temper and he made that remark. And today it is the RJD that is leading a protest against Nitish Kumar. It is Rabri Devi who is accusing Nitish Kumar of being anti-women. She says that this is not new. This is what Nitish Kumar has done repeatedly. So the pressure is only mounting. No comment has come in from Nitish Kumar after he made that comment on the floor of the House, but the opposition in the state is unrelenting. Listen into those reactions.
बिहार के मुखिया जो मुख्यमंत्री है, उन्होंने मसौरी की विधायक रेखा देवी दलित की बहू बेटी है, इसलिए दलित को अपमानित करना मुख्यमंत्री के मैनिफेस्टो में शामिल है। ये दलित विरोधी है, महिला विरोधी है। मैं आपके माध्यम से पूछना चाहती हूँ, ये सभी महिला को अपमानित करते हैं और कहते हैं कि हमने लाया।
It's not only derogatory, it's obscene. It's obscene. And such obscene remarks have been made on the floor of the House. I don't know what has happened to Nitish ji and his party, because the other day I heard a minister speak a very derogatory language. So I wish them good luck. I wish them good luck. If you are not able to maintain a decent language, I think you need to go to basics of parliamentary tutorials.
So Nitish Kumar's comments were directed at RJD leader Rekha Devi, and that happened when there was sloganeering. But now it is the LJP. There are leaders of the LJP who are saying that one must listen to Nitish Kumar's entire statement to understand the context at which he was making that comment. Let's listen into the LJP.
नहीं, अगर आप उनका पूरा बाइट देखें तो उन्होंने ये बात कहा है कि महिलाओं को आज जो सदन में वो आके बोल रही हैं वो अधिकार हमने दिया है। तो आप वो जो हाय हाय करी थी उस पर वो कह रहे थे कि आप ऐसा क्यों कर रही हैं, आपको अधिकार तो ये सरकार ने दिए। तो हम मानते हैं कि उनका कहने का ये तात्पर्य था कि जो महिलाओं का आज आवाज सदन में गूंज रहा है, वो संसद हो या वो विधानसभा हो, वो नीतीश कुमार जी की वजह से, हमारे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री नीतीश कुमार जी से के वजह से और एनडीए की सरकार की वजह से। जिस तरह से उन्होंने पंचायती राज इंस्टीट्यूशन में आरक्षण दे करके या फिर सरकारी नौकरी में आरक्षण दे करके महिलाओं को आगे रखा है। उनकी साइकिल योजना कई देशों ने अडॉप्ट की थी कि उन्होंने हमेशा महिलाओं के लिए, बच्चियों के लिए, लड़कियों के लिए, उनके लिए अलग अलग योजनाएं बना के उनको सशक्त करने का काम किया।
So now the RJD once again has fresh ammunition. They are saying it is allies of the NDA also, by defending Nitish Kumar, are in a way endorsing the sexist remark. That controversy is getting bigger. Time now for us to slip into a short commercial break. Stay with Times Now. We'll be back with more news and updates.